Yes. Look here, students. Under chemical bonding, we shall learn another important phenomena. One of the most important phenomena in bonding. That is hybridization. Okay. No, what is this? Hybridization. Look here. What is hybridization and what is the necessity of hybridization? Let us take an example of methane. Carbon, you all know, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. If I write the orbital picture, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. According to this electron dot structure, that hydrogen is 1s1. According to the electron dot structure, carbon has only how many? 2 electrons to pair, and this is a filled orbital. So with this it can form only 2 bonds. But here carbon has formed how many bonds? 4 bonds. Okay. Then what we can do is, we can give an explanation now. That 2s orbital and 2p orbital are almost similar in energy. And under the excited state, this I call as ground state. And under the excited state, I will promote this one electron to the p orbital. Okay? I will promote one of the electron from 2s orbital to 2p orbital. Then what is the hybridization? 1s2, 2s1. Yes. Now how many bonds it can form? 4 bonds. And you may be thinking this problem is solved. CH4. One with hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Correct? Huh? But another serious problem is there. Okay, if at all these 4 orbitals, what are the 2s, 2px, 2py, 2pz? If at all they participate in the bonding with 1s orbital of hydrogen, 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 say 3 bonds should be one type and another bond should be of another type. Is it not? But here all the 4 bonds are identical. All the 4 CH bonds are identical. This is a spectroscopical reveal. And all the 4 bonds are 109 degree 28 minutes. Now, according to geometry of the p orbital, px, py, pz are 90 degree to one another. Do you agree? So that means CH bonds should be what? 3 bonds should be of 90 degree to one another. Yes or no? Huh? And another one is spherical orbital having no shape. Anyhow, 3 bonds should be one type and one bond should be different type. But what is the reality? All the 4 bonds are identical. So this leads to the thinking of hybridization. What is hybridization then? Before forming the bonds, the orbitals of the central atom is going to mix with one another and exhibits hybrid orbitals which are identical and directing into a specific shape by cancelling the force of attraction. Because 90 degree are nearer to one another. This is 109 degree 28 minutes. It is a better arrangement. Better arrangement than what? 90 degree. So that is why these four orbitals, what would have happened? They have hybridized. What is hybridized? Mixed. And after, how many are mixed now? 4. How many new orbitals are produced? 4. Then, what is the name of these 4 orbitals? sp3, 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 sp3. What are all the mixed orbitals? Yes, say 2px, 2py, 2pz. How many are mixed? 2s. How many are mixed? 4. How many are produced? 4. What is the name of each of the orbital? sp3, 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 sp3. Why they are called as sp3? Because that itself indicates that one s and 3 p orbitals are mixed. Okay. The shape is different. The shape is compared to this different. What is the shape of all this? Same. What is the energy? There is a slight increase. What is the energy of all? Same. Then what is the definition of hybridization? Mixing of atomic orbitals. What is hybridization? Mixing of atomic orbitals of different shape, size and energy to produce same number of identical hybrid orbitals of same shape, size and energy. This is called hybridization. What is hybridization? I will write it here. Right. Mixing of atomic orbitals of different shape, size and energy to produce same number of. So 4 are mixed 4, 3 are mixed 3. Same number of identical hybrid orbitals of same shape, size and energy is called hybridization. It's called hybridization. Right this. Now let us learn the conditions for hybridization. Right this. Conditions for hybridization. See, one important condition is the orbitals that hybridize should be having almost same energy. The orbitals undergoing hybridization should be having similar energy. One more part. The orbitals that hybridize are present in the valence shell. They are present in the valence shell because they have to participate in the bonding after hybridization. Correct now? So according to valence bond theory, I will tell you, the valence electrons are participating in the bonding. So orbitals also should be the orbitals of valence shell. Is it correct? See, there is no necessary that only the half-filled electrons should undergo hybridization. Even the filled orbitals also can undergo hybridization. Is it okay? What is it? There is no necessary that orbitals that are undergoing hybridization should have one electron. It can have what? Two electrons also. It is not necessary that orbitals having single electron undergo hybridization. So even filled orbitals also participate in hybridization. Even filled orbitals also participates. So these are the 3 points you can write for conditions of hybridization. Features of hybridization, you can assume like this. Features of hybridization. See, that I already told you. The number of hybrid orbitals form is equal to, see, I told you, if 3 orbitals are mixed, 3 hybrid orbitals are formed. 4 mixed, 4 are formed. Is equal to the number of orbitals hybridized. All hybrid orbitals are identical. For example, 2s and 2p. 2s is different, 2p is different. Do you agree? But after hybridization, what will happen? All hybrid orbitals are identical in what? Shape. Okay, size, you see, size and energy. They are identical with respect to these 3 points. Shape is same. All these things I will show you in the examples. They are hybrid orbitals are identical in shape, size and energy. The hybrid orbitals are oriented with a greater distance of separation and acquire stability. See, I told you in the methane example, p orbitals are 90 degree to one another. Correct now? But after hybridization, sp3 hybrid orbitals are how much? 109 degree 28 minutes. They are more distant from the center and more stable. Repulsion is lesser. So these are some of the features of hybridization. So now, according to the textbook, 4 to 5 examples are there, and one question is definitely going to be asked under this heading. Okay, so I will try to discuss some examples after this. So, especially in the examination, what is going to be asked is examples only. Look, sp3 hybridization in methane. I have partially explained. Once again, I will explain. sp2 hybridization in beryllium boron trifluoride BF3 and ethene molecule. sp hybridization. sp ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಯಾ? 1s and 1p. In beryllium chloride BeCl2 and ethyne molecule, ethyne alkyne, CH triple bond CH, sp hybridization. And just to mention, sp3 dehybridization in PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride and sp3 d2 hybridization in SF6. sp3 4 ಆಯಿತು d2 ಯಾವ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ SF6 6 ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಅದರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಈಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, so try to answer in between because the concept of hybridization I have already told. So we shall start with the first example. Okay, what is that? Write the question. I try to complete this space. First question. How many mark question it is? 3 marks. 3 marks. Explain sp3 hybridization in methane. If they say with a suitable example, what to do? You have to take methane. Or if they ask the question, explain sp3 hybridization in methane, you have to explain methane. Very, very simple. Look at the board. Carbon, correct? Methane, you know what is structure? What is the formula of methane? CH4. Okay. Now carbon, ground state. Carbon. So it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So with this, it is not possible to form 4 bonds. Tetravalence is not possible to fulfill. Then, what is this? Excited state. What is excited state? 1 electron is promoted. Correct? From 2s to 2p. So what is excited state? 1s2, 2s1, 2p, x1, y1, z1. Now it can form how many bonds? 4 bonds. But these are unhybridized orbitals. This is not going to participate in the bonding. So under the approach of hydrogen atoms, a type of mixing of all these orbitals takes place. Correct? The hydrogen atom is yet to enter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕೀಗ. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ? Hybridization takes place. How it is? Look here. Hybridization. So, this is 1s will not participate, 2s and 2. Look here, this is a spherically symmetrical orbital. What is this orbital? 2s plus, I'll write the xy. This we have taken as z axis, correct? This is y axis and this is x axis. Correct? Now what is this orbital? 2pz, 2py, 2px. So all these four sp3 hybridization the four resulted orbitals are identical with one another. Identical with one another. How it is? Look here. With respect to the carbon center, this is one orbital. See the shape now. It is a hybrid orbital. How this is formed? By mixing three lobes of p orbitals and one spherical s orbital. One sphere, three lobes. This is another hybrid orbital. This is another hybrid orbital. This is another hybrid orbital. This is sp3 hybrid orbitals. So this has been formed by what? Mixing of one 2s orbital and how many? Three 2p orbitals. And this is sp3 hybrid orbitals. So you can write here one 2s orbital and three what? 2p orbitals. Hybridize to form how many? 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, and they are identical with one another. Is it okay? Now you see, these are now bonding. I will tell you, bonding. Look at the bonding. These four, this is the carbon center, these four hybrid orbitals, this is sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon, hybridized with the what? Hydrogen 1s1. How many? 4. And see the bonding now. Sigma bonding it is called. sp3 yes which is sp3? This is sp3. Which is this? Yes, sigma bonding. Which bonding? Sigma bond. Okay, I'll show you. H. Which sigma bonding? sp3. Yes. Hydrogen. Now write the correct structure of this. Carbon at the center. Hydrogen. This is a tetrahedral molecule. Hydrogen. And what is the bond angle here? 109 degree. What is the shape of the molecule? Tetrahedral. Center of the tetrahedron is occupied by carbon atoms. Corners of the tetrahedron is occupied by hydrogen atoms. I will show you the structure. You look at this. This is the shape of methane molecule. Where I am holding at the center, this is what? Carbon. This is a tetrahedron. I can turn it to any way, you see. It appears same. See this. See this. See this. See this. See this. This is, can see the bond angle. It is more than 90 degree. 109 degree. Dipole moment is 0 because identical placements. So, where I am holding is carbon atom and these are the hydrogen atoms. If I keep it on the board, see they are non-planar, correct now? Is it appearing in the board? No. See, this is one hydrogen. Other two are tending to go inside the board. That is these two hydrogen. You take a photo now. If you have a camera, you take a photo. What will happen? This hydrogen comes here. And these two hydrogens are coming at the sides. And the one which is in front of you, that appears here itself. The blunt, short bond. Correct? No? Because it is so much outside you. When you take a photo, it comes here as a shadow. There is a formula, Wedge dash formula in organic chemistry, will be taught to you. Where the bonds which are coming nearer you is written with a shaded line. And the bond going away from you is written with a dash line, dotted line. So this is how hybridization of methane is explained. Before hybridization, what was the bond angle? This is the C, 3 orbitals, 90 degree. This is unstable. And the other orbital was a spherically symmetrical orbital. That is not stable. Now during the process of hybridization, what has happened? After mixing, all the 3 orbitals are, all the 4 are identical. ಈಗ ಎಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಪಿ ಯಾವುದು ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. And this is the orbitals at present existing and hydrogen atom is bonded to this. Hybridization is nothing like, it is like by seeing the hydrogen, wait for some time, my orbitals are not ready, you have to wait there, I will mix my orbital taking 1 minute, not like that. It is a mathematical manipulation. ಆ ಥರ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸೇಷನ್. ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್. ಆಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅದು ಅನ್ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತದು, ಅದು 2s 2p1 2p1 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಪುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಏನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವಾಗೆ ಎಣಿಸುದೀಗ ಹಾಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ px py pz, ಮೀಥೇನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, that has been mixed ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, now let us discuss another example. Explain another 3 mark question. Explain sp2 hybridization in beryllium BCl3 boron trichloride molecule, BCl3 molecule. How many atoms are there around boron? 3. So 4 orbitals are not necessary. So I think now you should tell me similar way. Shall I continue? You look here, look at carbon and tell on the right side. Come on. Okay, start. So what do you want to write? Ground state boron. Atomic number 5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Exactly. 2p. Now with this it can form only one bond. It has to form how many bonds? 3 bonds. So what to do? Promote this. Promote that electron. Excited state. Boron. Yes. 1s2. This is inertial. 2s1. Correct now? And 2p. 2pz. 2py. So I told you first priority z-axis. Now what is hybridization? What is hybridization? sp2. 1 2s orbital and 2 2p orbitals. Correct? Hybridize to form how many? Correct. 3 sp2 hybrid orbital, and they are identical. They are identical, yes or no? Yes. They are identical. These are not identical, 2s and 2p, but hybrid orbitals are identical. You show the schematic representation. This is 2s orbital of boron. 2s orbital plus this is z-axis, y-axis, 2pz, 2py. Other one is empty. Now sp2 hybridization. So which is the distance with 3 bonds? The most stable distance with 3 bonds is 120 degree. Dipole moment, while teaching I told you, the most suitable distance with the 3 bonds is planar and 120 degree. With 4 bonds, tetrahedral, 109 degree 28 minutes. With the 2 bonds, linear and 180 degree. This and all you should not forget. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನೀಗ? This is one. This is another. This is other one. sp2 hybrid orbitals. Yesterday, what is the angle of these orbitals? 120 degree. Now, I will show you bonding. What is bonding? Tell me. How do you explain bonding? These 3 orbitals should overlap with what? BCl3 now. Chlorine orbital. If you write chlorine, come on, if you write chlorine, where is the valence electron? Neon 10. Okay. 3s2, 3p5. Wait, I will show you. 3s2, 3p5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this. This is z-axis. Pz for bonding. Bonding first priority, z-axis. So how many electrons are needed here? 1 electron. And which orbital it is? P orbital. Now this correctly. This is P orbital. Okay. Now this is what is this? sp2, sp2. So sp2 hybrid orbital of each element? Boron. Plus 3. And what is this? What is this? Chlorine. Neon 3s2, 3p5. How many? 3. Now see the bonding now. Yes, this is the boron. Correct? Now this is another boron. This is p orbital. This is another boron, and this is p orbital. See the hybridization. Sorry, overlapping. So, which is this axis? Z axis. So, these are the three. Why only one orbital overlapping? Because only one electron is required for chlorine. Do you agree? So, this is the way you have to represent the structure. And what is this structure? Write the geometry now. Okay, I'll write here. Write the geometry now. I'll write here. Boron. Boron. What is this? Cl. Correct. What is this? Cl. What is this? What is the bond angle? 120 degree. Trigonal planar structure. What is the shape of methane? Tetrahedral. What is the shape of BCl3 molecule? Trigonal planar. What is the hybridization? Sorry, what is the bonding? What is the bonding here? Bonding. Sp, here I will write, no? Here. Sp to P. Is it yes? Here that was yes, hydrogen. Now this is Sp to P sigma bonding. Sp to P sigma bonding. Double bond and triple bond are called what? Pi bonds. So this is how you can explain what? sp2 hybridization. Okay, I think before you write that, one more example I will give you so that you can write together. One more example for what? sp2 hybridization. Okay? Okay, look at the board. One more example. Explain sp2 hybridization in ethene. Which molecule? Ethene. Ethene. Do you know what is the formula of ethene? CH2 double bond CH2. If you write the structure, how many sigma bonds are there? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3. Because pi bonds are not formed by hybrid orbitals. I will repeat once again, listen very carefully. Pi bonds are never formed by hybrid orbitals. Then how pi bonds are formed? Pi bonds are formed from pure orbitals. Pure p orbital and d orbitals. Hybrid orbitals ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Hybrid orbitals will not form pi bonds. Pure p orbital or d orbital forms pi bonds. So how many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3. That means what hybridization? sp2. So explain sp2 hybridization in ethene. Come on, go on writing the same as earlier. I'll remove all these things. Okay. Ground state carbon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is not correct, is it not? excited state carbon. 1s2, 2s, 1, 2px1, y1, z1. This is 1s, this is 2s, this is 2p. Now, what hybridization I should do? sp2. Which are the orbitals I have made use? First priority. S, then pz. Pz is first priority. That means I have left one orbital. Maybe px or py. Now, one orbital I have purposely left. Can anyone tell why? That is only forming pi bond. Because pi bond hybrid orbital ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ pi bond ಗೆ electron ಬೇಡವಾ? So that is why that orbital is there. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ hybridization ಹೇಳಿ. hybridization ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ. 1 2s orbital plus z ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, y ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, x ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Then what will happen? This is the one, this is the one. So sp2 hybridization. Come on. What is the shape? This is the one, this is the one, this is the one. sp2 hybrid. So here I write both carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Now let us form bonding. sp2 s sigma bond, sp2 s sigma bond, sp2 sigma bond. There are 4 sp2 s sigma bonds and 1 sp2 sigma bond. 4 sp2 s sigma bonds are formed with the hydrogen and a sp2 sigma bond is formed between carbon atoms. Yes. Now I will show the orbitals in the proper direction. Look at this. 120 or maintain, I maintain. 120 I maintain. This is 1. Plus, see the proper direction. 120 angle I will definitely maintain. This is another sp2. Plus 4. What is this? Correct? Oh? Hydrogen 1s1. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ sp2 ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್ ದಿಸ್ is sp2 s sigma bond. This is sp2 s sigma bond. On this carbon, this is sp2 s sigma bond and this is sp2 s sigma bond. Now what is the skeleton? What is the skeleton? C, single bond C, H, 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 H. Is this ethene? No. whether the carbon valence is satisfied? No. Now you can observe here. Where you have to observe? You can observe here. There is a pi bond. And you have left one electron, correct? So what will happen? What will happen? I write here. Unhybridized p orbitals forms which bond? Pi bonds. ನೋಡಿ ಅದೇ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ 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 ಸೊ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ your complete lobes I have to write because they are not hybridized. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So what will happen now? Yes, sideways overlap. What type of overlap? Sideways overlap. This is a linear overlap, head-on overlap. But this is a sideways overlap. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವೀಕ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ಈಗ? ಸಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ 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 ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಯಾವುದು ಇದು? ಈ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ coming out of the board and going into the board. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು electron shared pair, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು shared pair. This is the pi bonded system. Pi electron, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, suppose this is a molecule C H ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು electron, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು pi electron, 90 degree to the plane. ಆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Suppose if the ethene molecule is here and above and below, pi electron system ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬೀಳುವವರು ಯಾರು? ಪೈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ, ವೀಕ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಈ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ನ ಶೇಪ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್? 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೇಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆಟಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಸೊ 120 degree and geometry is what? Trigonal planar. This is ethene molecule. So this completes what? sp2 hybridization. So other examples we will see in the next class.